Greetings Codlings, welcome back to Codeverse TV. My name is Katy, I'm your host and I love telling bad jokes. What do you call a dinosaur that is sleeping? A dinosaur. If this is your first time watching the show, thank you so much for tuning in. During every episode, I teach you how to build a cool video game using one of our special missions. I also teach you how to customize your video game and show you all of the special powers that our objects have. But first, before any of that, I'm going to take you to the Codeverse App Store where I will play a video game that was designed and built by people just like you. Take me to my appy place. This is the Codeverse App Store. It is amazing. If you've never seen it before, you can visit it by going to the link below. There are dozens of apps and games on here that you can play, review, and share with your friends and your family. I'm going to pick a game right now that I have never seen before and play it right in front of your eyes. Which one should we go for? Let's see. How about this one, Color Blocks by William. Color blocks. Tap on grey blocks to make them colourful and make art. The gradients used in this game are made using RGB, red, green, blue, colour scales and position variables. Events are used to make the blocks colourful once you tap them. What will you design? Well, let's see, William. How about I make my initial, a K? So I'm tapping, oh, this is cool. So I'm tapping the blocks right now. Oh, it's so pretty! So you can see they kind of switch from purple to pinkish to red. There's a bit of blue in there. Oh, this is so awesome. William, you must be very proud of yourself. This is such a fun game. If you have a game of your own that you would like to submit to the Codeverse App Store, all you need to do is tell your parents to email me at tv@codeverse.com. All right. Are you ready to code? Let's head on over to Mission Control where we will build a video game together. This is Mission Control, my favourite part of the show. When you become a part of the Codeverse community, you get access to digital missions, which are guided coding activities that range in difficulty level from beginner, intermediate, advanced, expert and pro. Today I have chosen a wonderful game for us to build together called Alien Dance Party, because who doesn't like to get down and boogie with some awesome alien friends? Let's get the party started. Okay, so I am logged into my Codeverse account right now. To access our missions digitally, all you need to do is click Go up here where it says Start a New Mission. This will take you directly to our library of missions that are grouped based on difficulty level. Since Alien Dance Party is a level 2 intermediate mission, you'll want to click right here and select the game. Great. Alien Dance Party. Create a dancing alien on Party Planet. Learn how to use timers and delayed events to animate your scene. Let's get this party started. What you'll learn: object attributes, events, timers, and methods. Awesome. Select Build this mission and let's get started. Okay, here are all of the steps we need to take in order to build this game. First of all, we need to import our classes, set the party scene or background, reach the checkpoint where we will review our progress so far, tap the alien to start a timer, get the party officially started, and submit our game so that we can get 525 skill points. Click Next. Step 1. Import classes. The first thing that we need to do is import our classes. This tells the computer exactly what objects we need to build this game. So for Alien Dance Party, we need an alien, he's the main character in the game, a planet, because this is where the dance party is going to take place, a speaker, you can't have a party without music, and a timer. We'll use this timer to make the alien dance and the speakers move, but more on that later. Click Next. Step 2. Set the party scene. So we need to set the scene for this special dance party. To do this, we'll create our planet, speakers, and an alien using var statements. var stands for variable. Let's begin with the planet. We'll name it Party Planet. Type var party planet equals new planet, and inside the parentheses we'll type 5080. This will position our party planet in the center near the bottom of our game screen. We'll change the size of the planet using our setSize method. partyplanet.setSize, and inside the parentheses type 1500. Now let's create two big speakers, one on the left and one on the right. For the first speaker, let's name it left speaker. Var left speaker equals new speaker 2052. Var right speaker equals new speaker 8052. And finally, let's create our alien friend. Var alien equals new alien 5060. He'll be positioned in the center on the planet and in between our two huge speakers. Finally, let's make sure our alien stays put on the game screen. Type in alien.setFixTrue. By using this method, our alien will stay fixed on the game screen and will not fall down when we hit run and start our game. Great, click next. Step 3, checkpoint. Okay, so look at your game screen. We have our alien, two big speakers, and a planet. Now let's bring this party to life. Hit next. Step 4, tap the alien to start a timer. We're going to use a var statement to create a timer. Then we're going to use a when statement to start the timer when the alien is tapped. Type var timer equals new timer and include parentheses at the end. When alien.tapped, parentheses, timer.count2, and inside the parentheses, enter the number 0. What this means is that the timer will start as soon as the alien is tapped. End. Every when statement ends with end. Hit next. Step 5, start the party! We are going to add a when statement to make the speakers bump to the music and the alien dance once the party starts. So type in when timer.ends, parentheses, timer.count2.4. We'll use count2 to reset the timer every time it ends. And now let's make our speakers bump and our alien dance inside this when statement. We'll start with the left speaker. Left speaker.setSize 200 dot set delay 0.2 dot set size 250. What this means is that the left speaker's size will be set to 200, and then after a 0.2 second delay, the left speaker size will increase slightly to 250. Because of the timer up here, the left speaker will perform this action over and over again. Let's do the same thing for the right speaker. Right speaker.setSize 200 dot set delay 0.2 dot set size 250. Now let's make the alien dance. Alien dot set rotation 10 dot delay 0.2 seconds dot set rotation -10. This will allow the alien to rotate slightly left and right. The alien will perform this action over and over again. End. Hit next. Woohoo! Mission complete! Tap your alien friend and watch him dance while the music speakers bump. Awesome. Now hit submit. You can customize this game further, share it with your friends and family, or you can complete a different mission. How about we customize this game further? Add instructions. So let's just say you send this game to your parents. Let's add some instructions to it so that they know that tapping the alien will begin the game. We'll import a label and then use a var statement to create it. Var label equals new label 5030. Label.setText, tap the alien. Click next. Flashy background. Let's make a colourful background. Add this code into your timer when statement right here. Import game allows us to do things like change the background colour. Since we want our game background to flash different colours, we'll need to add a random variable. import random allows us to generate random numbers. Now type var r equals random dot number, and inside the parentheses type 0 and then 100. Var g equals random dot number 0, 100. Var b equals random dot number 0, 100. RGB stands for red, green, blue. And finally, game.set background color. Instead of entering a specific number for red, green, and blue here, type in R, G, and B. This will make the background flash completely different colors every time the timer ends. Next, dancing partner. Let's add an astronaut into our game. Import astronaut, var astronaut equals new astronaut, 25, 80. Astronaut dot rotate right 360. Astronaut dot set fixed true. Next, starry night. Let's add some stars that will appear randomly all over our game screen. First thing we'll do is import a star. Then import random, and we'll create a loop. Loop 50, var x equals random dot number 0, 100. Var y equals random dot number 0, 100. We'll create the star using a var statement, var star equals new star, and we'll use our x and y variables right here. Type in x and y inside the parentheses. Star.set size 30. End. What this means is that stars will appear randomly on our game screen. Next, brilliant work! Tap the alien to get the game started. Check out your cool Tap the Alien label, the amazing colourful background, and all of the beautiful stars. Feel free to share this game with friends and family, or continue to customize the game even further by adding in some of your own ideas. Alright, it's time to head on over to the toolbox where I will tell you about some of the special powers that our objects have. Let's go! It's toolbox time, folks! This is the part of the show where I tell you about all of the special powers that our objects have. You can view these special powers on the back of any of our collectible trading cards. An object is going to be picked at random right now, and I will show you how to use it within a game. Ba-ba-da-ba! Oh, a gear! Let's learn all about gears. Here's a mini game that I created earlier, featuring 4 gears of different sizes, a small blue ball, and a giant brown pot. Now, I want to be able to send the blue ball down the screen, through the gears, and into the pot. Gears have a few special powers. We can change their body colour, or we can make them spin left and spin right. So let's go ahead and make them spin. We'll create a when statement first, so that when the first gear is tapped, all of the other gears will spin. So right here, type when gear.tapped, gear.spin right. Now let's make the second gear spin in the opposite direction, gear 2.spin left. We'll make the third gear spin right, gear 3.spin right, and the fourth gear spin left. You guessed it, gear 4.spin left. End. Every when statement ends with end. Hit run. You'll see that the blue ball falls down into the first gear. Tap the first gear and you'll see that all of the other gears spin. The first and third one spin right, and the second and fourth one spin left, sending the ball all the way down into the giant pot. So there you have it. Now you've learned more about gears, their special powers, and how you can use them in a game. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Codeverse TV. I hope you had an amazing time, and I'll see you next time. Bye!